This tutorial will help you on how to buy Bitcoin on the CashApp mobile application.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
Open up CashApp on your smartphone device, and assuming you want to buy the Bitcoin cryptocurrency, go to the bottom left-hand screen and then scroll until you see the magnifying glass option. Underneath here, under Discover tab, you want to click on the search bar and then type in Bitcoin, no spaces, one word. And as you can see underneath the results, you should see buy and sell and send instantly, or you can view Bitcoin. As you can see, you can currently see the price of the Bitcoin on the different charts. And you should see the option, if you were to scroll down, buy Bitcoin. As you can see, you can buy Bitcoin for $20, you can buy $50, you can buy 100, 200, etc. Or you can even type in a custom order that you would like. And once you click next, you want to confirm your CashApp PIN. You can even change the order type if you want to buy Bitcoin completely for free. You can auto invest. This will set up automatic daily, weekly, and bi-weekly purchases, or you can even have a custom purchase order completely for free.